How to unsubscribe on Picsart. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video we're going to talk about how we can unsubscribe on Picsart by following some steps. But before following those steps, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share and subscribe option. So let's get started. So if you have downloaded Picsart onto your device, and if you're subscribed on any of the premium plans of Picsart, and all of a sudden you change your mind and you want to unsubscribe from those plans, then what you need to do is, if you are on an Android phone and if you're getting confused on how we can unsubscribe, then in this video I'm going to teach you how. So you need to open your Google Play Store. After opening your Google Play Store, you will be able to see the home page. In your home page, you will be able to see your profile at the top right. After tapping on it, you will be able to see the payments and subscriptions option in the middle. Just tap on it. After tapping on it, you will be able to see the subscriptions option on the second. Just tap on that option. After tapping on it, if you have subscribed on Picsart, you will be able to see that application under subscription. After seeing that application here, just tap on that application, and when you tap on it, you will be able to see the cancel subscription option below that app. Just tap on cancel subscription and confirm your cancellation, and you will be unsubscribed from that app. So in this way you can unsubscribe from that Picsart app. So therefore I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.